Hi everyone, my name is Sweetie and welcome to this channel. Today I'll be creating this pretty card using two stamp sets by Crafty Scrappers. This one is called Mirror Mirror and You're So Cool. So what I'm trying to do today is use mirror technique number 2. You can find a link to my first mirror technique in the description box below. In this technique, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create the reflection that happens in water. I'm using mirror stamp for this purpose. So the idea is to first stamp the image on a mirror stamp and get the mirror image on the cardstock. So here is how it looks once you do get it on the cardstock. As you can see, the image is not really perfect, and I didn't want it to be perfect because a reflection in water will not be as solid of an image. I do not recommend using archival ink for this purpose because archival ink dries up really fast, really quickly, but I just did not want a very crisp image, so I skipped colors like inks like Versacolor. If you have those at hand, I highly recommend using inks that dry a little slow. Dye inks will work really great for this purpose if you want a crisp image. I always recommend stamping the mirror image first and then lining up your perfect image, focal image, with the mirror image that you have got. This way you can actually see where you are going to line up. So I'm done with the showing you the technique, and here I'm just going to decorate the card a little bit more using the stamp set You're So Cool. It has some really fun sentiments that go well with this card. While I do my stamping, I just wanted to let you know that all the supplies used in this video are listed in the description box below, and you can find a link to all the Crafty Scrapper stamps also. Crafty Scrappers is an Indian manufacturing brand for stamps, and these are really high quality stamps. Crafty Scrappers has monthly challenges that you can participate in and win a lot of goodies. So head over to their blog to find out more. Finally, when I'm done with all of these image stamping, I'm just going to do some watercoloring. Now this is the second video in a series of 3 where I talk about 3 different mirror stamping techniques. So stay tuned for the third video in this series. I hope you like how this card turned out, and I hope you found the technique useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.